NordVPN is one of the most popular providers known for their premium VPN services, but how about I show you 2 ways of how to get NordVPN for free? Your initial choice is the 7-day complimentary trial. With this, you can establish a free NordVPN account for a week, provided you meet 2 specific conditions. A, you've not previously used NordVPN, and B, you have an Android device. Following the initial configuration, you'll be able to utilize NordVPN on any compatible device. However, you must initially have access to an Android, since the NordVPN free trial is exclusively available through the Google Play Store. To commence, click here to acquire and install the application. Next, proceed with the registration process, which also involves selecting a subscription plan. This is where you will encounter the option for the free trial. Make sure you select it. Bear in mind that you'll be required to provide payment details. Rest assured, no charges will be incurred until the trial period concludes. You should now have a fully operational NordVPN application at your disposal. You can log into the same account on any other operating system and connect up to 6 devices concurrently. Don't forget to cancel your subscription once the free NordVPN trial period concludes. This can be accomplished via your Google Play Store, specifically in the subscription section. It's essential to do this even if you intend to continue with the premium version. The subscription fee imposed by the application is somewhat unreasonable. As a rule, VPN subscriptions are much cheaper if you apply a coupon code. I left the newest one in the description. If you need it, it will save you up to 20 bucks. Okay, this is where we get to the second method of getting a NordVPN free plan, the 30-day money-back guarantee. Upon obtaining the NordVPN subscription, you have the option to request a refund within a 30-day period. This simply entails contacting their customer service. While it may not precisely equate to a free NordVPN trial, you will receive a full refund, ultimately resulting in no expenditure unless you opt to retain the service. In my experience, this is quite probable. Why? Well, apart from the evident VPN security advantages, there's a plethora of tools. For instance, threat protection serves as an effective ad blocker I consistently employ. It also scans all downloaded files for potential malware, keeping my device clean. It's akin to antivirus software, albeit without the full scanning capabilities. NordVPN also stands out as an excellent choice if you seek access to a diverse range of online content. Most frequently, you can use it to stream shows exclusively accessible in foreign libraries. You can connect to the USA, Japanese, or even Australian libraries, with the latter offering a considerable wider array of content, especially in comparison to what's available in the UK. I won't go into a full NordVPN review. You can find a few of them here on this channel. And we're also trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so come on, join us, hit subscribe. So yeah, although the answer to is NordVPN free is a no, by now you should know 2 perfectly legit ways of how to get NordVPN for free. Feel free to share your experiences with these approaches and your overall impressions of NordVPN. Did you decide to continue using it? I eagerly await your feedback in the comment section or in my next video. Alternatively, you can explore a NordVPN tutorial that I've prepared. Alternatively, click on the link in the description to access the most current VPN discounts. Take your pick. There's an option for everyone. I'll see you later.